Enough of running, enough of hiding. It is time to face the coming storm. You have been through hell and faced challenges that would break most people. Nevertheless, you are still standing, and now it's time to win. Adversity is not only an examination, but a present as well. It represents the universe asking, how much do you want it? How far will you go in order to achieve your dreams? Hardship is not meant for failure purposes. Instead, it is used for identifying oneself by it. It helps define you into that person born to fight with ultimate destiny.
We all have our own battles. Some can be seen like those life setbacks on our way, such as death, unsuccessfulness, or rejection. However, the hardest fights are those no one else knows about. The questions in your mind, the fear inside your heart, and the voice saying you cannot accomplish this. But here's the truth, you can do this. Not because you're invincible, not because you're unbreakable, but because you're relentless. Adversity isn't your enemy, it's your ally. It provides the fire behind the hardening of steel. It compresses carbon atoms into diamond forms. It separates talkers from dreamers.
For that reason, don't let people get you down. As life happens in a way we never expect, it throws unexpected curveballs our way. However, this is when one's true character is seen. When you go deep within yourself to find your inner strength and rise above adversity. Because every setback is a comeback in disguise. Every obstacle presents an opportunity to prove just how strong you can be.
Overcoming adversity doesn't require perfection. Instead, it requires being enduring. It means getting back up after every fall. It entails fighting against anything or anyone who tries to block your dreams from being actualized. You were not born to be ordinary anyway. You were not created for mediocrity, but born for glory. Therefore, in the event of adversity, do not run away from it. Don't fear it either. Give it an embrace. Look adversity right into its face and say, have you done worse? This is because there are no small players here at all. There are no shadows for us to hide in either anywhere on Earth. We are winners here.
Adversity is the training ground of champions. It's where you discover what you're truly capable of. It's where you find the strength you never knew you had. And it's where you learn that nothing, and I mean nothing, can stop you if you don't let it. So then now is your chance. It's your moment to overcome. Your time to beat the odds. Adversity might be tough, but you're tougher. It may be strong, but you're stronger than it.
Always remember this. Every single day comes as a fresh opportunity. Every sunrise brings a new possibility of demonstrating to yourself how potent, tenacious, and inextinguishable you are. The grind keeps going just like life. People will tell you to slow down. They'll say you've done enough. They'll urge you to rest on your laurels, to be satisfied with where you are. But here's the truth. Satisfaction is the enemy of progress. The moment you start believing you've done enough is the moment you start losing the edge that got you here in the first place.
It's not about being satisfied, it's about being driven. Driven by the desire for more and more growth. More success, more impact. The thing is, when you work shamelessly hard, you recognize that there is always another level. There is always another step up that can be taken. A higher plane of existence to reach, a greater achievement possible. And that's what keeps you going. This journey belongs to you. It isn't about competing with others, but rather competing with yourself. Be better today than yesterday, and even better tomorrow. Set goals so high they scare you, because deep down in your heart, the only barrier between you and these objectives is the amount of work you are ready to carry out.
Success doesn't come free, it has to be earned. It's gotten through the quiet moments of discipline where fatigue and self-doubt threaten to overwhelm us. It takes countless hours spent honing your craft to perfection even when no one else sees it happening. It involves making sacrifices as well as investing time in it, while at the same time taking risks too. And here's the secret: the harder you work, the luckier you get. Opportunities start to appear, doors begin to open, and the path to success becomes clearer with every step you take. But those opportunities don't come to those who wait, they come to those who work, who hustle, who refuse to settle for anything less than their best.
Therefore, what are you waiting for? Your life is knocking at the door of a new chapter. The next achievement is just around the corner. Nevertheless, it will not come to you, but rather you have to go after. You have to put in the effort, time, sweat, and tenacity. However, let me tell you this, it's worth it. Every beat of perspiration, every single bit of energy that is put in, every night stayed up late or woke up very early morning, all has been worthwhile, since eventually when you look back on how far you have come in your journey, then only success achieved shall be seen, but also who we are.